Hey everybody, Brian from Bear Bull Traders here. It is Tuesday, February 12th. Just thought I'd do a quick update here. Markets today, we had a pretty rip-roaring day. Dow up, SPY up, all the indexes up basically. And you can see here the Dow held the 200-day moving average and started to push up higher. Basically resistance was prior high here. And tomorrow, I guess we'll see where we head. We continue to go up higher to 2600, 26,000 I should say, and or if we just churn sideways here. But it looks like the pain trade is still to the upside. Let's take a look at IWM. IWM is, of course, the smaller cap. We're Russell 2000. You can kind of see here we're, as I mentioned on some of my previous videos, we've got a way to go to get to the 200, but we made some headway here today, and again I think we're going to continue to go higher here. TNA being one of the good trades to be in to take advantage of that move. RSI tending up, MACD still looking good. And the QQQ is back at the 200-day moving average here, and we'll see if this still stays as resistance or if we end up punching higher. Volume okay, RSI, it's looking not bad. Same with the SPY and sort of average volume day. See what else we got here. Natural gas, still watching this to see what it does. It's right at this level of resistance, and we'll see if we get a continuation of a trend higher, which means natural gas prices going lower, but just keeping an eye on that right now. No position. UUP, this is a dollar index. You can see here, looked like we were going to continue to push to higher highs, but we had a bit of a pullback today on the US dollar. So we'll see where that one goes. Again, it affects the commodities and some of the emerging markets stocks when the dollar strengthens or weakens, whatever. Let's take a look at a few stocks we've got on the, let's call it the watch list. Some of the stuff I picked up on a scan. ACRS, Aclaris Therapeutics. Had an interesting day today. It was on volume. You can kind of see here we had a big volume day, up move, came right up to the 50-day moving average. I know we went through the 200. Let's just take a look at that, or the 20 I should say. So you can kind of see here we punched above the 20. Now we're between the 20 and the 50, and RSI going up. MACD looking fairly positive. And yeah, so I like this one for a trade. You've got a good level of resistance here that's can be support. That can be your stop out, and looks like about $8 would be where you take a lot of your profits. So good, fairly good risk to reward here. 670 being kind of your stop. If you can get in around 7 tomorrow, might be a decent swing trade. Again, another play here. ADMA Biologics. Had a good day today, huge volume day, pulled back and closed at the 50. $4 would be where you'd be looking to take some profits. That would be closing this gap, but I think it's already run a fair amount, so I'm not sure that it might be a good trade or not. Keep an eye on that one. Conagra, I know kind of a little late to the game on this one, but again, it's really had some good strength days, good volume. MACD looking good. RSI strengthening. So again, it wouldn't be bad to get this one, but I'd have to wait for a pullback on it. And TNA small caps, I mentioned that as a good play for the small caps, and like I said, we still think we have some room to run here. Maybe 65 would be initial place to take some profits on this. We had a gap and run here today, so on volume's building. would have been nice to see bigger volume like here, but anyway, volume's building a bit there, and RSI looks like it's heading back up. So that's it, guys. We'll see you in the room tomorrow. Brian of Bearable Traders, author of How to Swing Trade. It's on Amazon, and hope you have a good rest of the night. We'll see you in the room tomorrow morning.